Hi guys, good afternoon everyone. Happy weekend again. I think today Saturday. Saturday. Lol. LOL. Kalimot ko guys. Pero sa amin, dami ko bukang cartoon. So, matong pagkaon guys. I didn't eat anything from the morning. I just have a cup of creamy coffee. And while I'm outside and I was like under the super hot sun, tapos ay puno cold, so nikalit na color yung pananaw guys. As in, suddenly I have a blurry vision. It's like, oh my god, I think I passed out something, almost passed out. So I decided to came back home and just stay and eat some. So I think I need to the pussycat. I think I need to stay under the sun more often. You know, that most of the time I really stay inside my room. So, Mimi! Oh my god. Oh my god! Ang akong baso, patay ka na ko iring ka, mabok akong kaisa-isahang bag. So, let's eat because I'm so for hungry. So I just bought 3 eggs and just this so. And of course we are Pinoy, so even it's super duper hot, but we still drink hot coffee and then our jacket. Ouch. So my black office. Okay. Yeah. Coffee is like well, not too sweet, just tinge of sugar. Ew, oh my god. So kainon mo guys, nalimog diet. No. Palabad sa ulo, bagipong-lipoks kag grupo. It's not so easy to be on diet. So, magchikita ako kaya kung magkauno. So, how lucky to those girls na bisa sa onog hab-hab is still slim. While me, if I ate even just 2 times a day, oh my god, literally I will gain weight. So, I control my eating habit. I love to eat guys. To be honest, I love to eat. I love all types of food. So, more na to siya guys. Na, certain lang kayo sa ubang mga girls na sa usag kaon nila na di sila manambok no. Kaya ginaginisig ka na halan mag-diet pa. Basta ka na halan mag-agwantes ka gutom. Ako usahan, maglabad ako ulos ka gutom. Nakainin mo o naanad ako nila. Mag-stopper dati ko. It's not even sweet. Oops! Nagutom akong kuhaan. Uyab. Pilingon, marag may uyab. Hoy, gilangaw ko! Baski, ano akong food, gilangaw pag yun. Karoon tikag-api lang hawak ka. I'm sorry. Oh my god, sorry. Naglagot ko ng mga flies ay. Muna nagana kong pagkaon, nangawon pag yun.